Here's a plan for making roast halibut with saffron rice, saffron cream sauce, and prawns. The meal plan. The best approach is to prepare the different components simultaneously or sequentially, so they all finish warm and ready to serve. Start the saffron rice. It takes the longest, about 20-30 minutes. Prepare the sauce. Can be done while the rice cooks. Keep warm. Prep and roast the halibut and prawns. Quick cooking. Start them last. Assemble and serve. Saffron rice is a simple pilaf that gets its beautiful color and flavor from the saffron and a flavorful liquid. Stock. Ingredients: 1 cup long grain rice, Basmati or Jasmine recommended. 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil. 1/22 small onion or 1 shallot, finely chopped. 2 cups fish or chicken stock, or water. Generous pinch of saffron threads, pre-soaked in 1 to 4 cup hot stock, water for 10 mins to release color. Salt and pepper to taste. Melt butter oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Sauté the chopped onion, shallot until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the rice and stir for 1 to 2 minutes until coated and slightly translucent. This is called toasting the rice. Stir in the stock, the pre-soaked saffron threads and their liquid, and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and simmer for about 15-20 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Do not lift the lid during this time. Remove from heat and let stand, still covered, for 5 minutes. Fluff with a fork before serving. A simple, luxurious cream sauce infused with saffron is perfect for this dish. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 shallot finely minced, 1 2-cup dry white wine, optional, 1 cup heavy cream, a pinch of saffron threads, salt, white pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Melt the butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Sauté the shallot until soft and translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the white wine, if using, and let it reduce by half. Pour in the heavy cream and add the saffron threads. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat to low and simmer 5 to 7 minutes until slightly thickened and golden. Season with salt, white pepper, and a tiny squeeze of lemon. Keep warm. Roast halibut and prawns. Halibut roasts quickly, so this is the final step. Prawns can be roasted alongside or quickly pan-seared if you prefer. Ingredients: 4 halibut fillets, about 6 Oz each, 1 inch thick. 1-2 lb large prawns or shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. Optional: a slice of lemon per fillet. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. Pat the halibut fillets dry and brush them lightly with olive oil. Season generously with salt and pepper. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Toss the prawns with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Arrange them around the halibut. Roast for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. The timing depends heavily on the thickness of the fish. Halibut is done when it is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Prawns are done when they are bright pink and curled. Tip: if the fish is cooking faster than the prawns, remove the fish and keep it warm while the prawns finish, or add the prawns to the baking sheet about 5 minutes after the fish. Assembly and serving place. A generous mound of saffron rice in the center of a warm plate. Gently place a roast halibut fillet on top of the rice. Arrange the prawns around the fish. Spoon a generous amount of the warm saffron cream sauce over the halibut and drizzle some around the plate. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives for color and a final sprinkle of pepper. This creates a visually stunning and delicious dish.